So, after a rather restless night, I say restless, there was no rest really. I didn't get to sleep until about 6 o'clock in the morning, and something to do, it's not quite insomnia, I think it's something called sleep delayed phase syndrome or something, and I think that's what I've got, which means like I can sleep for a normal amount of time, but just like 6 hours after everybody else. So yeah, that was fun. Woke up, then we went to town to the charity shops, bought some shoes. Has your cup got your name on it?
Yes.
That's absolutely amazing.
Have no fear, Tugan Birch is here.
And now I've completely forgotten what I was going to say because I want that cup but with my name on it.
The shoes. I got 2 tops and a pinafore dress.
Tegan bought 2 shoes as opposed to one shoe. Bought pinafore and a nice top. I bought some crisps. There we go. And now we're just sat in. Have you given me the cup with your name on it? Yeah, I can work with that.
Kind of like these cups.
I am now Tegan. Nero. Whoa, did you feel that, Tegan?
Bit of a breeze.
Nero. He's eating something in the drain.
It's a rock.
He's just eating a rock. That's...
Now he's eating them.
Don't eat rocks, Nero. Didn't you just say that he peed in there once?
Yeah.
Nero! God's sake, why do you do this to your... Ah. Top secret massage. Yeah. Yeah.
Get your butt. Get your butt. Get your butt.